I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera model and that firmware is recent. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, power the Laview, install the Laview app, and enable location and Bluetooth on your phone so detection works. Make sure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz SSID. Laview often does not use 5 GHz. Now open the app, sign in or create an account, and choose Add Device. This begins the guided setup so the camera can join your network. You now follow the app prompts to configure network settings. If your phone and camera support it, scan the QR code shown by the app into the camera lens. This transfers SSID and password quickly. Alternatively, use AP mode. Connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi and paste details into the app. Enter the SSID exactly, case matters, then the password. Once submitted, watch for the LED to change. A steady or slow blink usually means successful pairing. So you finish by naming the camera, assigning it to a location, and applying any firmware updates the app recommends. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. Once done, test live view and trigger motion alerts to confirm streaming and notifications work as expected. Adjust sensitivity to reduce false alarms. If something fails, power cycle the camera and router, verify you are on the 2.4 GHz network, and, if needed, reset the camera to factory settings and repeat the setup. That usually resolves persistent pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.